Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Buick Enclave headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Next, confirm you have the correct replacement bulb for your specific Buick Enclave model. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is completely off before starting any work. Safety first, so disconnect the negative battery terminal if you feel more comfortable. Now, let's get to the headlight. You'll need to remove several plastic clips and screws that hold the front bumper in place. Use your trim removal tool for the clips and a socket for the screws. Once those are out, gently pull back the fender liner. This will give you access to the bolts securing the headlight assembly. Don't forget to disconnect any electrical connectors before proceeding. With the headlight assembly exposed, unscrew the bolts that secure it to the vehicle frame. Gently pull the entire assembly out. Now, carefully remove the old bulb. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into its socket, making sure it's seated correctly for optimal light output. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Reattach the headlight assembly, then the fender liner, and finally the front bumper, securing all clips and screws. Don't forget to reconnect all electrical connectors and the negative battery terminal. Before you hit the road, test your new headlight to ensure it's working correctly and properly aligned. Also, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.